We are in Visual Studio and you see a Windows Forms project. In the main form we have a small layout for our example. Just a date time picker to select any date. A button as start point and a text box for the result. We start our short journey in the button click event. Step 1. Set the culture to German. We use new culture info dd to create a culture info object for German culture. This ensures that our date and time calculations follow German conventions. Step 2. Get the calendar associated with the German culture. We use German culture calendar to retrieve the appropriate calendar object. Step 3. Get the date you want to find the week number for. For this example, we're using the date time picker to get the date that we want. Step 4. Define the rules for the first week of the year. According to the ISO 8601 standard, we set the calendar week rule to first 4-day week, which means the first week must have at least 4 days in the new year. We also set first day of week to day of week. Monday. Step 5. Calculate the week number. We use the get week of year method of the calendar class to calculate the week number based on the selected date and the rules we've defined. Step 6. Format the week number. We create a string that starts with KW followed by the calculated week number. This is the standard format for week numbers in Germany. And there you have it. This code will correctly calculate and display the German calendar week number for any given date. You can integrate this logic into your applications to handle date and week calculations accurately according to the ISO 8601 standard. In this code you can make easy changes depend on culture info or week data. So keep learning and enjoy your day.